Depending on the size and age of the system and the size of the inverter, we've sold a lot of systems over the years where people have said, oh look, I only want to put 3 kilowatts in now, but can you put a 5 kilowatt inverter in and I'll add more panels to it later on. General rule of thumb is it never happens. So I sort of tend to say to people, if you're looking at putting 5 kilowatts in, then you're better off to do it now, because a lot of the time it just doesn't happen. In terms of upgrading a system or adding to an existing system, a lot of the time the systems, if they're a 2 kilowatt system, they've got a 2 kilowatt inverter, so realistically you can't upgrade that anyway, and a lot of the time you've got to match the panels, and panels, there's certainly not the number of panels on the marketplace or available in the marketplace now that there was 10 years ago. So we've seen the number of suppliers drop dramatically, so a lot of the time it's not even feasible because you can't find the panels or the manufacturers to match them. If you invest the right money in the right product and you do it right the first time, then there's no need to upgrade down the track. Price should be relevant to quality, but what we find in this industry, there are people out there selling at cheaper products at a much higher rate. There's a lot of tools that people have at their fingertips, as in Google. I encourage people to research product. I'll give them as much information as I possibly can, but before they take the leap and spend money on something, they really need to research it as well. I mean, we see advertisements every day. If you did a bit of research on some of those companies, Lord knows what you're going to find. Research your panels, research your inverters, research a person that's doing the quote for you. If you can, read testimonials, ask people that have got solar in, and Google. Google's just such a great tool.